Okay guys, I just finished off the pendants, which turned into mush, and of course you've seen it by now, but I still have to do the last take when I show it outside in the sun. But you know, I think today's the day when everything I want to do starts going wrong, so it won't surprise me if this pour is going to go totally berserk, but we'll see. So what I have is Vallejo fluid and the normal pouring medium, normal thickness, not the really thick one, because I'm not going to put silicone in the paint. I'm going to do a pour where it's just about the colors. Now it's pretty thin, so I'm not sure if these colors will be separated a lot or not. Oh, see that's what happens today. Everything I touch goes crazy. So I'm gonna put the colors in my little cup. I think I should put a white layer between that. And it's sinking like I thought it would, because white is of course the most dense color. Oh, it's really thin, but we'll see what happens. A little bit more of the green. I think I have more than enough because it's thin like milk. Now that is kind of pretty. And here it's doing the blooming thing because of the white that's in it. Now I have to make myself some room because I have to fill, of course, the whole canvas. And down here, I'm hoping I will get it to cover everything. Yes, I did. Now it's doing the blooming thing, and while it's doing that, I'll have to get a brush. See, today is not a good day, people. I'm going to stop right now. After I've done this, I'm going to stop. It's doing a lot of that blooming thing, so I'm hoping this is going to do that too. I am going to pour it down a little bit over the side. Now just let it do its thing. I gotta get a brush. Because I want to do the sides just a little bit. Corner, of course. But here you can see a lot of stuff happening because of the paints being so thin. And just a little reminder, there's no silicone in here. What it's doing is this is the thick, no, not the thickness, it's the weight of the pigments that are doing this. So what you see is that one color is heavier than the other, and then it just does this. And we're not sure when this is going to stop. It'll stop when it's ready. Here there's a little bit of green popping through, but most of it is the white, and the white always does that. And I am seeing a little bit of canvas here and there showing, so I do want to just add a little bit more of this color. As you can see down here, almost the veins are almost gone, and that might happen to the whole thing before it's dry. It does happen that, you know, you lose all the definition of what you poured on it. But look at the paint underneath. That's a lot of paint. Now next time, I'm going to do this one more time, but I think I'm going to try it with the thicker pouring medium just to see the difference. I'm putting the rest of my white in here. What I'd like to do is make one of those, but make it up here too, because I sort of do like that. So a little bit of that turquoise in there, and then the lighter color, and then one darker color. And let's do that just over the side. And let it come down a bit. There it comes. So that we have, you know, both sides have the same same look. I think that's kind of cute. Let's put a little bit more on there here, because I could see a little bit of the canvas, and I'm not really that happy with seeing canvas. I think it's kind of cute. Only right up here, the rim, I can see canvas, so I'm going to add a little bit more of the darker colors, and I'm going to do that up here too. Down here it's okay. And the whole thing is that this is even more unpredictable than just pouring. This is really unpredictable, because you're not really sure which colors are going to give you this blooming effect and which not. If you want to really have your control, you would have to figure out which one is the heaviest and then, you know, go from there. But what I see here is pretty much something I like. Although I was really going for something, you know, without the blooming effect in it, but I guess that's not going to happen. There is one big thing there which I don't like, but you can't have it all, because I can't drop anything in there. It will totally disrupt what's going on here. But there it goes again. And I did clean this canvas with alcohol, because I thought, you know, when I'm doing this really thin paint, better make sure that there's no fingerprints on it. So I took it all, I cleaned it all with alcohol, but as you can see, that doesn't really, oops, that's a wrong color. I wanted this color. Oh no, there's something under there, I see it. Too much green. I'll have to, where's my light blue? Here it is. I'll have to add it from here, just to make sure that the corners are done nicely in the same color. Well, I guess we'll just have to let it dry as it is right now, and hope for the best. I think I'll show it to you next week, because this is going to take a while to dry, but it's interesting. It's something different. As you can see here, a little bit of blooming going on, which is kind of nice. And I do like that it's dark and it goes up and keeps on getting lighter. That's something that I do like. But it wasn't intentional, it was just what happened. So I say thank you all for watching, and I'm gonna quit while I'm ahead because really I'm having one of those weekends. I don't know if you believe in biorhythm. Well, I'll show you. A lot of people don't believe in it. Oh, come on, please go on. Okay. Biorhythm. Where's my biorhythm? And too bad it's not in Dutch. Can you see all those bows going down? So tomorrow is going to be like a dramatic day. It's going to be really bad. I'm at minus 89 at physics, and emotional minus 71, which will be even lower tomorrow. And then intellectual, it's minus 94. So I'm having a really bad day. And this is Dutch. I wish it was English, because this is, you don't even want to. Oh, it says monster. I'm a monster today. I think it's true. Sorry about that. But even mentally, it's dramatic. Negative phase of emotional biorhythm. You better just stay in bed today. A negative phase of physic biorhythm. Getting up in the morning is difficult. Staying awake is even more difficult. Work, even if your work is really easy, it's going to cost you a lot of energy, which you can see right here. Big mess. Well, I'm when am I getting better? Let's see. I'm sure some of you were screaming, humbug, humbug, that's not true. Big BS. But I'm telling you, really, it does. We'll see. We'll see if when I'm up here, I'll show you guys that. Oh, you'll have to wait a long time before I'm up there. But we'll see. Okay, guys. I just wanted to end this with a little laugh. You know, if you do stuff that is really stupid, sometimes you just have to make fun of yourself, because if you're really going to get, really upset by ruining painting after painting after painting and getting nothing done, just stop, wait a couple of days and start again. That's the best thing I can advise. So see you all in the next one. Love you all to pieces as usual. That doesn't change. Bye-bye. Okay, because I have all this on the table and I think it's a waste. So what I'm going to do is put a piece of acrylic paper in it. And we'll see what happens. And I thought I'd just show you guys too. Wow, that is pretty. Now we didn't waste the paint at all. I can do some stuff. Oh, now it's going zigzaggy. Gotta let it run off there and turn it around and let it run back down. But even if it's zigzaggy, who knows? Might turn into something really pretty. Although, what's that yellow thing in there? See that? Which is leaving a trail. I don't really like that. So we'll take that out. Let's see if we can get rid of that line. Not really, so we'll have to live with it. Let's see if we can cover that up here. Okay. I'm just dripping in the middle here, but I'm going to do one more. Let me put this away. I just threw away. I think I want some more green in turquoise though. There it goes. Taking it back out of the rubbish bin. So we're gonna pour in some greens. And I want the turquoise. There it goes. Now let's see what we get. It needs a little bit more coverage over here and up here. See, when I take it off, it's really pretty. But then it sort of starts to warp into something not so pretty. So let's just leave it like this. It's the thing that it warps a little bit, so then the paint gets to move. But I'm gonna keep it like this. I might even use this for the giveaway, guys. If I can make something really pretty out of it. One a little bit darker. I'll have to order a new block of acrylic paper though. Okie dokie. Nah, that's not pretty. So let's just move it a little bit like that. And now let's see. Not really thinking about that it's beautiful, so we'll add a little green. Let's see now what we got. Nah, not that interesting. Funny how the first ones were really pretty and now all of a sudden they're not that pretty. Don't like this one either. I'll just keep it, you know, just as practice paper because I'm going to be doing something on top of them anyway. So I'll just let this dry, and then on this one I can do some practicing. There's a little bit of holes there. There's a little bit. Oh, and I'm thinking about cling film. What if I put some on top of here? Nah, maybe not. Okay, guys, this is it. I'm going to stop the video. See you all in a bit. Oh no, next week. Bye-bye.